Namaskar to all. In this video, I am going to explain how to check your PDF answer sheets from Google Drive itself. So for that, you need to create one account with Kami. So here you open kamiapp.com website, or simply you can search in Google. This Kami website will provide you 90 days trial period for checking your PDFs, or you can say that they annotate your PDF. You can write anything, you can draw, or you can use signature. So here you have to prepare the account. Just search here Kami. Then here you will get this link, Kami your digital classroom hero. Just click on this. Now here you need to create an account. First create your account. Here it will ask some of the basic details. Here I have already created my account, so it is coming by default. Let me log out first. Then I am just going to create my account. So you can create your account with Google or email. So everybody has almost a Google account, so it is better to use Google. So it will link your Google Drive automatically with Kami. So now here it will display the account list. Just click on your account, whatever you want to register for this software, Kami, and click on allow. So when you do this, you will get something like this. So you have to complete this process. This is sign up. Just select K-12 school if you are working in school. Then it is asking, I am using Kami for student, teacher or other. We are teachers, so we will select teacher option. Now here, are you using any learning management system? If you are using Google Classroom or anything, then click on yes. Otherwise, I don't know, that may be preferred, no problem. So here it is showing Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas or other. So here we are using Google Classroom. So just click on that, and school name. Write your school name here. Just I am writing SPV. That is the school name. Just finish it. After that it will display this message, 90-day trial period, continue. So when you click on this, you will get screen something like this. So now here you can open your Google Drive PDF automatically and you can check. I will show you one paper. I am just checking one paper over here. I have stored my all answers, my Google form answers on this drive. So here I have given the title answer script class 4. So the same name folder is available. When you are creating your Google form for sending links, the same name folder will be created in your drive. So select that folder name. Here answer set class 4 computer file responses and upload your answers. That folder is created. Now let me open a file which I am going to check. So here let me check someone's. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, just I am picking this PDF. Now I want to check this with Kami. So what you have to do, just open this and click here, open with. When you click here, you will get first option, annotate with Kami. This you have to click. Now here you have good grip with your mouse, so you can run your mouse pointers in good manner. So here the account name is also showing. So just start your checking from here. Drawing, pick the drawing tool, whatever color you want to select the color. Then if you want to change the size of line. Now first answer beat, it is correct, I am giving 1 marks. Second answer primary, 1 marks. 8, 1. False, if answers are correct, just these answers are correct. Theme is also correct. Control A is also correct. Alter as correct. Escape correct, and it is also correct. So this is the first part, and in this section I have asked 10 questions, but student has written all the 13 questions, but I will give 10 marks only. Rest 3 questions are extra. So write like this. Now next section, section B, 2 marks question. Here she had not written this, so I am just putting question mark. For this random access memory, 1 mark. The next question, the story box is box word is not there. She has written incorrect word. When we save a picture to story box, this is known as story box. Okay, story box is not there, so this answer is not correct, but something she has written correctly. These statements are correct, only the word is different. So 1 mark I am giving. After that, part B. This is 3 marks question. Part B. This PC icon store all folder files, all things, and them what she had written, all things are, then again this word cannot be readable there only. Okay, so 2 marks I am giving out of 3. And this is the diagram of primary memory, ROM, secondary memory, CD, DVD. Okay, it is correct, so I am giving 3 marks. So now total 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 7 plus 10 17. So total 17 marks she got. I am just writing over here 17. Here the mouse grip should be proper, so you can write in proper manner. Let me put my signature. So that's all. In this manner you can save your file. After when you completing, it is automatically saved the information. But if it is not saving, here this icon is there. Click on save now button. And when you click on this, the file will be saved automatically in your drive. Just you have to do this step. Allow Kami to save changes to Google Drive. Authorize Google Drive. This we have to give. This is one type of permission which allows to access your Google Drive through that particular account. So here also I am allowing allow. So now you can save your answer sheets like this and you can perform the task. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you very much once again for watching this video.